Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra and Dreame X50. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra has very strong suction power, about 10,000 pascals, which does a great job on carpets and hard floors. It uses a dual roller brush design that resists hair tangling. For mopping, it has the Vibra Rise 3.0 mopping system, which scrubs hard and dries itself, and a side mop arm that extends to reach closer to edges. The dock cleans the mop pads with hot water, dries them, refills the water tank, auto-empties the dust bin, and even handles detergents. It also has smart edge cleaning, good obstacle avoidance, AI recognition to detect dirt and boost power, and features like video calls, so you can see around the house or check on pets. It handles transitions well, for example, carpet edges, and it can lift its mop over carpets to avoid wetting them. The Dreame X50 Ultra pushes some things even further. Its suction is stronger, about 20,000 pascals, so it pulls in heavier debris more easily. It has retractable legs so it can lift itself and climb over higher thresholds or obstacles, and can also lower parts like the LiDAR sensor to clean under low furniture. Its mop system also has auto washing, hot air drying, auto tank refilling, and auto emptying of dust. It has good corner and edge cleaning thanks to the side arms and mop extension. It includes sensors and AI to detect many types of obstacles, even small ones, mapping the home well, avoiding collisions, and moving quietly. If most of your rooms are carpeted or have door thresholds, the X50 Ultra may handle them better thanks to its retractable legs and higher suction. If edge cleaning, mopping performance, and low-maintenance dock features are very important, both are good, but Roborock's side mop extension and edge mopping are very refined. Roborock might perform better under furniture or tight edges with the side mops and mop lifting, while Dreame gives you more power and advanced obstacle navigation. Dreame tends to cost more, especially for its dock and parts, while Roborock might give better value if you don't need the extremes. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.